Hey everyone, welcome to the WIRA Daily Market Update. So we took a Friday afternoon off and we're back on Monday. It was a lot of fun on Friday, the market and stuff. Good prelude to the rally today, right? How about those last 5 minutes of trading today, gang? Was that not nuts? We're still riding those cues. We're at 195. We got over 194 today. We're going to milk those a little bit. Those expire on Friday. We're just a little profitable on those right now. We're going to see if we can squeeze a little bit more out of those. We opened up a new trade today, Bank of America. We're going to see if we can get some earnings love, maybe ride the Goldman's earnings report in a moment. Warning, we'll see. And of course, that Nike trade we opened up last week is just killing it. And so let's pop on over to the charts. We got to take a look at this together. All you guys, all you people that watch us daily, look at this last bar here. Let's go to a 1 minute chart. Look at those. That's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. So when that 5 minute bell rang, look at that selling. Then all of a sudden the buyers came in. And if you look at all the charts, look at all your big charts, they're all like that. The best one we saw was Microsoft. We were watching a little bit of Microsoft today. Look at Microsoft in that last 5 minutes. Wow. That'll kill you. Huh? That'll give you a heart attack. You're here 1 minute, you're there 1 minute, and then you're there again. The bulls really went around the block. Markets are pushing to all-time highs. We're still very bullish. We got a decent Citigroup report this morning. We're going to ride these cues. They expire on Friday, but we're right outside the money, and we're a little profitable on them. We're going to juice those a little bit. But we will get out of them one way or the other tomorrow for you guys that follow along. The Nike trade, we're going to ride that definitely. We got plenty of time on those contracts. 52 cents outside the money right now. Nike had a little consolidation day today, you can see. Let's see that just sideways, a little dip in the middle. The whole market kind of dipped over here, though. But charts still, all systems go on this one. Let's go look at a year chart. Really, the weekly chart right now is what we're watching on everything. A little tip for you traders out there looking for tips. The weekly charts are telling you everything right now. You see that Nike, despite what's happening in those bars during the week, it's pumping up higher. And as long as it's doing that, that's a nice trend. You don't want to give up on that until you see something like this. You see how that one bar cleared 3? That was a pretty deep one. That should have told you bail out. It's run out of steam. See if we can get another nice long one on this one. QQQ, same way. We were watching this bar right here. Let's move this over a little, and then you can see it. It's just a little sliver. But that thing was red all day until about an hour left, 2 hours left in the market. And that was the trigger that we decided to carry this play another day. We entered Bank of America today. Let's pop in Bank of America. We don't even have it on TradingView yet. We bought some $31 calls. We gave ourselves a little bit of time on this, but we know there's that Goldman Sachs earnings in the morning. Citigroup was decent. We still feel like Bank of America is the best run bank on the planet. So we took a little poke at those 31s, and we gave ourselves about 5 or 6 weeks on those contracts. But good Goldman Sachs report tomorrow for you traders out there. Good Goldman Sachs report tomorrow. Pumps up the banks. This thing goes profitable. We will cash in and we won't take any chances on the earnings report. Bank of America comes out on Wednesday. So that might be a short trade. So look, you guys always have a plan, an entry and an exit plan. And on this one, we've got a couple options. So one way, if we get a good Goldman report and Bank of America say it pushes up to that mid $30, $31 level, we'll be easily profitable, maybe even triple digits overnight. We'll cash this out, wait through the Bank of America earnings report on Wednesday, then reset the position. Or we'll just walk away from it, big winners. If Goldman Sachs comes out and just totally screws the pooch, we might jump out of this right away. We might just say the banks are done. Or we might just take a little roll of the dice on the earnings report itself on Wednesday. Other than that, so always have exit plans. That's why we gave ourselves 5 or 6 weeks on this. Ideally, we'd like to make it a nice overnight big winner, right? Or just 1 or 2 days. But if not, if we do decide to keep it, we got plenty of time on it. We're just outside the money on this. So look, like I said, the markets are real bullish. We're sticking with that bullish tone right now. It looks like we made the right decision on the Qs. Remember, we talked about that early last week when we opened that play. We went with the Qs and not the spider. We felt the spider didn't have as much to run. You can see it's kind of petering out there. It had a red weekly bar today. So it looks like the Qs were the right move, and we've got some tech stuff coming up. So let's see how that goes with Goldman Sachs tomorrow, right, gang? We'll be back after the market. Thank you so much for joining us.